In this session, I will explain question number 10, and in question number 10, we have two sums, sum number 1 and sum number 2. Okay, so this is very interesting and very important. Now, in question number 1, you see there is one rectangle is given. Carefully observe this. One rectangle is given whose length and breadth is given. Length is given 18 centimeter and breadth is given 10 centimeter. And there is one shaded portion inside the figure. Now, according to the question, you have to get the area of this shaded portion. That is a place where I have marked with red. Okay. Now, how to get this? Now, suppose if this is a piece of a cake and I am asking you to get this particular piece, how will you get it? So, what you will do is that you will take this piece out and you will also cancel this piece out. That this two triangle you will cut it off, and this triangle also you will cut it off. In that way, what will you give me? This part will be remaining part. Okay, fine. So when I'm removing this two triangle from where? From this whole piece, isn't it? Then only I'm getting this particular shaded portion. Okay, so when I'm removing this two triangle, so in mathematical language what I'm doing? I'm subtracting this, isn't it? So when I will subtract this two triangle, area of this triangle and area of this triangle from the whole figure, then I will get the area of this shaded portion. Okay, and now I will carefully see that the dimension of these triangles are given. Okay, now in rectangle we know that each angle is 90 degrees, isn't it? Each angle is 90 degrees. So this is a right angle triangle, isn't it? So what is the formula of a right angle triangle? Half into base into height. Now this is a base and this is a height. Now similarly, if you see this triangle, so this is a 90 degrees, so this is a base and this is a height. So half into base into height. So we'll follow the same formula for both the triangles. Now how to get this area? So you will write it down. Area of EFDC. EFDC is equals to area of rectangle ABCD. Now from ABCD, what you will subtract? Minus, now from this whole figure we have to subtract area of triangle. Area of triangle what? AEF. Again we have to subtract another triangle, that is area of triangle EBC. EBC. Okay. Now what is the area of a triangle? Length into breadth, isn't it? So this is the area of a rectangle ABCD. Area of triangle AEF means half into base into height. So half into base, in place of base we will write AF, and height is what? AE, isn't it? So half into base into height, and same formula we'll use for this triangle also, that is half into base into height. So half into, if I'm taking this as a base, EB, then height would be what? BC, isn't it? So this is the formula, students. Length into breadth, half into base into height, half into base into height. Now in place of length, what is the dimension? That is 18 centimeter. 18, and what is breadth is given? 10 centimeter. Fine. So this will be centimeter square. Now half into what is AF is given? AF is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. What is AE is given? AE is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Minus half. What is EB is given? EB is 8 centimeter. And what is BC is given? BC is again 10 centimeter. Fine. Now we will solve this. Now 18 into 10 would be 180 centimeter square. Now we'll reduce this. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So 3 into 10 is what? 32 centimeters are there. So we'll write centimeter square. Now again we'll reduce this. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, and 4 tens are what? 40. Again 2 centimeters are there. So it is centimeter square. Now we'll solve this. So 180 centimeter square. We'll add this to minus is what? Plus. So 30 plus 40 is 70 centimeter square. Which number is greater? 40. 40 is carrying what sign? Minus. So we'll put minus sign. Okay. Now if I subtract 180 and 70, answer would be 110. 10 centimeters square. So the area of the shaded portion, that is this portion, is equals to 110 centimeters square. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 1 of question number 10. Okay, so let's see how to solve sum number 2 of question number 10. Yes, now this is question number 2, sum number 2. Now this is a square, students. How come this is a square? See, this is 20, breadth is 20, and if you carefully observe this, SU is 20 and UR is also 10. So this is 10, this is also 10. If you add up these two, you will get this as what? 20 centimeter. Isn't it? Now, if both the length and breadth are 20, then this whole figure will be considered as a square, isn't it? Now, again, we have to get the area of a shaded portion, which I have marked with our red color. Okay, so how to get it? And suppose again, if this is a cake and I'm asking to get this particular area, how to get it? So how many triangles you will remove? This triangle you have to remove. This triangle also you have to remove. This triangle also you have to remove. So from the whole figure, you have to remove these 3 triangles, isn't it? So that you can get this particular portion, that is a red portion. Fine. So what you have to do, from the whole figure you have to subtract the area of this triangle, area of this triangle, and also you have to subtract area of this triangle, so that you can get the area of a shaded portion, that is QTU. Okay, so let's write. So area of triangle, this is a triangle only, QTU, or you can say it is the area of a shaded portion only, that is area of square PQRS. So from PQRS, what you have to subtract? Area of triangle. Area of triangle, this is what? QRS minus area of triangle TSU. Area of triangle TSU, and also you have to subtract the area of PQT also. That is area of triangle PQT. Okay, now what is the area of a square? Side into side, isn't it? Side into side, minus the area of, that is half into base into height, as because in square also all the angles are equals to what? Exactly, students, that is 90 degrees. So these are all right angle triangle. Now if I have to get the area of this, what? QRS, that is QRU. This is not S, QRU. This is QRU. Okay, so if I take base as half into base, base is UR and height will be considered as QR. So this is half into base into height. Again, for triangle TSU would be, base will be considered as SU, and this will be considered, height will be considered as TS. Now for this, we'll consider base as PT and height as PQ. Okay, let's put the values. Now what is side? So measurement of each side of a square is 20 centimeters. So 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter. So this is all about square. Half into what is UR, students? UR is 10. So we'll write 10 centimeter. And what is QR? QR is 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Now again, half into what is SU? SU is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. And what is TS? TS is also 10 centimeter. Now minus half into PT. Now what is PT? Suppose if this whole side is 20 and if this part is 10, the remaining part will be what? 10 only. So this will be also 10 centimeter, isn't it? So PT is also 10 centimeter, isn't it? And what is PQ? So if each side of the square is 20 centimeter, so PQ would be also 20 centimeter, isn't it? Okay, now let's solve this. Now 20 into 20 is what? 400 centimeter square, isn't it? Now reduce this. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So 5 20s is what? 100 centimeter square. Now reduce this also. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So 5 into 10, 50 centimeter square. And what is the last one? 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. 5 20s is what? 100 centimeter square. So from 400 we have to subtract how much? 100 plus 100 plus 50, that's 250. So from 400 centimeters square we have to subtract 250 centimeters square. Now if I am doing this, the answer would be 150 centimeter, sorry, centimeter square, not meter square, centimeter square. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 2 of question number 10 of exercise 11.4. Okay, so today in this session you will only solve sum number 1 and 2 of question number 10. Okay students, thank you so much. Stay happy, stay blessed.